Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaway. This is the Fab Fit Fun Fall Box. I also have in this video the Fab Fit Fun Fall Mystery Bundle that I got as well. Let me set this box down. It's pretty large and heavy. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking out the channel. For all my return subscribers, you know, I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of July, it is the Viseart Petite Pro Trois palette. We are doing a giveaway in today's video for one of the items in here. Don't even know which one yet, but for this one, it is in the description box down below under current giveaways. There will be a link in the description box down below for today's giveaway as well. And you're gonna need to be subscribed to the channel, and somewhere in today's video is gonna be a secret word that you're gonna need to know. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all, and if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do them a lot here. I try and do one from each of my unboxings. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Natasha Denona Fez palette. Kind of looks like this. I did have to repress this dark brown here. So the FabFitFun box is $49.99 per quarter. It does come out seasonally. And I do have a code for FabFitFun if you're interested in checking them out. I'll leave that in the description box down below. It'll save you a little bit of money, and it helps me out on any of their add-ons that I have. Their add-ons are really, really good, you guys. I've added one item on for today's box as well. I do have some starter boxes to give away as well. How those work is you give me your name, your email address. I send those off to FabFitFun. FabFitFun sends you an email and says, hey, Christina recommended you getting a FabFitFun starter box. And what you have to do is you basically sign up for the service, but you do have 21 days to cancel. You will get that starter boxes. It's usually about a $75 value, and all you have to do is pay for shipping. And you must not have signed up for the service in the past, is their only catch to it. So let me know if that you guys want any of that. I've absolutely loved the FabFitFun box. I think it's my oldest subscription box that I've had. So I really, really do like it. So let's dive in. Let's find out what I picked. Let's find out what we're giving away to one of you guys. So the first item that I picked is I've got my notes down on my phone, so if you see me look down. It is the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultra Moisturizer. It does retail for $83. So right there, that just paid for your box. And your daily go for the gorgeous hydrated skin, the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultra Moisturizer is rich yet lightweight, infused with Murad's advanced hyaluronic acid technology, shea butter, sunflower seed oil, coconut fruit extract, and avocado oil. It not only moisturizes, but helps to minimize the appearance of fine lines. As the weather turns chillier, you want to warm up your hydration game, and this is a must. It is 1.7 fluid ounces. Kind of looks like that. Cannot wait. We do have from Glow Recipe the Plump Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I've heard amazing things about this. It does retail for $45. And you'll soon see why the hyaluronic acid is a skincare game changer with this serum. Your skin will be plump and hydrated thanks to the plum infused must-have complex with the next-gen hydration acid that will fill each layer of your skin. So it's good for all skin types. It is 1 ounce. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and female-founded. Like I said, I've heard amazing things about this. Can't wait to use it. So this is the Youthforia BYO blush. It retails for $36. And okay, here's how. The surprising product, it may look green, I'll show you guys in just a second, in the bottle, but reacts to your skin's pH to give the perfect flushed look. It's making waves as the world's first color-changing blush oil and will become a go-to in your makeup routine. What do you guys think? Do you guys believe in the science behind pH balancing stuff? I've had some really good stuff before, and I've had some stuff that just didn't look right before either. So here's what she looks like. We'll have to wait and see what this one does. From Summer Fridays is a lip butter balm in vanilla beige. It does retail for $24, and they have a cozy vanilla scent in any capacity from their lotions to their lip balms. It's safe to say this butter balm will be going everywhere with you this fall. It delivers needed hydration as the weather turns cooler, all while giving off a sheer beige color that adds a subtle pop to any outfit. Looks like that. I love a good lip balm. From Frank and Body is their Cocoa Coffee Scrub. Does retail for $20. I know this one is either going in a future one. Give it away to a friend, something, because I know I can't use it because it does have the coffee in it. So is there anything some chocolate and coffee can't fix? Now it's even. Use it as a combat to dry skin. Coffee grinds, cold pressed oils, and organic cacao extracts nourish, soften, and hydrate your skin, leaving you glowing. It is 7.5 ounces and female founded. I am allergic to caffeine and most chocolates, so yeah, bummer for me. From Cover FX is a custom enhancer palette, retails for $42. I love the Cover FX palettes I've tried in the past. I have one, I should show it to you guys. I have it like down. I've hit pan, let's just say. So I've got the Perfecting Face palette, and yeah, I've hit pan on 2 of these items. I use it all the time. So I can't wait for this one. So this is, we're always doing a million things throughout the day, so we need a makeup that works just as hard as we do. Cover FX took 3 of its best-selling shades of their custom enhancer drops. I really do like those as well. And made them into pressed powders. Blend all over for a bright, glowing look, or use them as targeted highlighting the high points of your face. This highlighter, this clean and talc-free product gets you looking and feeling great for the day ahead in one convenient compact. Obviously it is talc-free. Let's just take a look at this guy. Ooh, she's pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Let's do some swatches. Oh, can we say stunning? You guys, these are so nice. And then this rose one here, really, really creamy. Look at how pretty those are. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Okay, you're gonna think I'm crazy, but the last product that I did get is this bag. It is an Obey waist pack. You also get 1 month free trial and retails for $40. Hot girl walks aren't just for summer. This is such an easy way to carry all your essentials, whether you're getting your steps in or running errands. the front zipper adjustable strap mesh made from the front zipper adjustable straps and mesh back. Make this bag extremely versatile, and a beautiful hunter green goes perfectly well for the fall. So you also get a 1-month membership to the Obey memberships. Now why I got this one is because you see, especially over in Europe, a lot of guys wearing something like this, and they kind of use it as a strap, and then it just kind of goes like right here and goes across the body. You can obviously use it as a little fanny pack as well, but so I got it for my son for a Christmas present or birthday. I don't know. His birthday is in December too. So one of the two, because he says he wished he had something like this when he went over to Spain this summer. So when I saw it, that's what I nabbed for him. The add-on that I did pick up is the Glam Glow Water Boost Hydrating Glow Moisturizer. So it normally retails for $40. I picked it up for $26. So it is a weightless water cream that offers instant and 72-hour continuous hydration with triple hyaluronic acid complex and water from Jeju Island in Korea. The formula bursts into the skin, quenching water drips on contact. Now my face is more on the drier side, and I really like the Clinique like 72-hour moisturizer. So I'm kind of wondering if this is kind of the same concept. And if I can get into this box, kind of looks like that. Kind of like blue shade. Ooh, that is like a drink of water on the skin. It has a really nice, really light kind of floral scent, but it's not overpowering, and I'm sensitive to that sort of thing. So that is going to be used. So remember, we're still going to get into the mystery bundle here in a second, but out of these, what were my favorites? I'm a sucker for anything hyaluronic, so because I have such a dry face, and that Cover FX palette, pretty cool. What was your guys' favorites? Let me know in the comments down below. Total of all of those added together, minus this one, is a $290. So you totally paid for your box, especially if you had like 2 or 3 items that you really do like. Okay, so for the FabFitFun Mystery Add-on is an add-on, basically subscription, that you can get into in conjunction with your normal annual subscription, and it's $19. Now they do send out 3 additional items. They're all a mystery. I don't get to pick. I have no idea what's in there. Everybody's mystery item is probably pretty different. And I've gotten some really, really good things. I've gotten some duds too, so let's find out. So this is a 3-piece silicone baking set from Chic and Tonic. The set includes silicone baking mat, full-size spatula, and mini spatula. And I love using rubber mats for when, even when I'm making like a frozen pizza or something, putting it down is just so much better for the environment and everything else if you put that down on your baking sheet instead. Look at this little kind of pretty confections, I would say, like a little polka dot, and here's your big spatula and your mini spatula. This guy weighs a ton. So this is from L'Or des Serpents Le Pute. It is number 14, a fig leaf cedar wood scented candle. Look how huge this thing is, you guys. It is 481 grams. So look how pretty this is. It smells really, really nice. Perfect. It has a perfect fall scent. And then it does obviously come with a little lid. I really like this scent. I'm wondering if sometimes if I have wood products that I burn, it sets off my asthma. So that's the only thing I'm worried about. So we'll see. The final item in here, my surprise thing, is a Fenty Beauty is a Pro Kisser Luxurious Lip Balm in this shade Cocoa Drizzle. A creamy moisture lock lip balm with a plush doe foot applicator in sheer shades designed for all skin tones. Kind of looks like this. I don't want to open this one quite yet. So I was really excited about the silicone mats. What were your guys' favorite in this in the mystery bundle portion? Secret word of the day is lip balm. So because I got 2 lip balms, I don't need that, and they're both kind of in that chocolate shades. Let's do give away the Summer Friday Lip Butter Balm to one of you guys. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Make sure to put on your YouTube name and the secret word so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. Now, you can get bonus entries. How the bonus entries work is you only fill out the form once, but you can mark on there if you did do the bonus entry items. If you did do them, only mark if you did do them if you actually did, because I do check. Anyway. Your first way is if you go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on the X/Twitter. That is BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok. That's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share this video with your family, friends, on your social media accounts. It means the world to me when you guys do it. It helps. That's how we grow, is you guys talking about the channel, and I want to reward you guys for doing so. So that's why you get an extra bonus entry that way. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day, and you must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am then not responsible for duties, taxes, tariffs, fees, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have this giveaway go through Friday, September 8th, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then on September 13th, what I will do is I'll take from the Google Forms, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, first name, first initial of the last name, and same with the bonus entries, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, first name, first initial of the last name on those. Put those in the computer spins it all around, the computer picks, I don't, so don't ask to win, and then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and I delete all those forms as soon as I mail out those prizes, because your privacy is very important to me. I don't share that information, I don't sell that information, I don't do anything like that. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day, you guys. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck in the giveaway. Woo!